And she is still in middle school. CBS 2's Cindy Hsu takes us to Brooklyn to meet this talented wordsmith.
Meet 13-year-old Angela Content and her mother, who knew her daughter wanted to share her stories with the world.
At first she said, "Mommy, I'm going to write a book. I'm writing my own book." I said, "Okay." And she said, I'm going to publish it." I said, "Okay."
But Mom was pretty shocked when it actually happened.
And then finally one day she said, "Mommy, my book is going to publish. I already transmit everything. It's going to take 24 hours. I'm going to review it." I said, "Okay." And then the next day I heard it's on Amazon. I'm like, oh my God.
Through the website Create Space, this determined 8th grader published 2 books. Her sci-fi fantasy, Awaken Alive, and her romance novel, Shattered. They're now on sale on several sites, including Amazon and Barnes & Noble.
I was just excited. I was like, oh, I'm so glad it's over with. Like, it was really hard.
Not surprising, since it takes her about 3 months to finish a book. Her latest is more than 200 pages, and she always writes by hand.
That's pretty amazing for a teenager these days. Everything is so technical and computer, not you.
She says going old school helps her story flow. Her mother says the house rules of very limited TV watching and internet surfing helped her daughter fall in love with books and writing.
I wish all the parents can do the same, to keep the electronic stuff away from the kids and talk to them more, you know, hear what they have to say.
Here's what Angela has to say to other kids.
Just continue to follow your dreams. You're gonna feel great once you actually accomplish what you set your mind to.
Right now, Angela is working on 2 more books, and she hopes to have them published by this summer. In Mill Basin, Brooklyn, Cindy Hsu, CBS 2 News.
And I think she will. Thank you, Cindy, for that, and good luck.